Hello, today we will guide you through how to add registration form in Squarespace. In this walkthrough, we'll first create a registration form using JotForm, then place it on your Squarespace site so visitors can sign up seamlessly. Start by opening JotForm's workspace in your browser. Once you're on the workspace dashboard, look for the plus button labeled Create. Click that to begin building a new item. When the options appear, choose Form. This takes you to JotForm's form creation flow, where templates can save you a lot of time. Select Use Template to browse ready-made designs. Pick a sample template that matches your registration needs. Templates are helpful because they already include common fields like name, email, and phone, which you can tailor later if needed. After selecting the template, JotForm will load it in the editor so it's ready to share. Next, head to the Publish area. Publish is where JotForm provides all the sharing options. Choose Embed from the Publish panel. Embed gives you a small piece of code that lets the form appear directly on your website without extra plugins. Click Copy Code to place that embed snippet on your clipboard. Keep the code exactly as provided to ensure the form loads correctly and stays responsive across devices. Now switch to your Squarespace dashboard. From the main navigation, go to Website, then Open Pages. Choose the page where you want your registration form to live. This could be a dedicated registration page or any existing page where signups make sense. Enter edit mode for that page so you can add content. Within the page editor, add a new block. When the block library opens, select the embed block. The embed block is designed for code snippets like the one JotForm provides. In the embed block's input area, paste the code you copied from JotForm. After pasting, you should see the form preview appear within the page editor. If the preview takes a moment, that's normal. Give it a second to load. That's it. Your registration form is now placed on your Squarespace page and will display to visitors. Submissions will be collected and managed in your JotForm account, keeping responses organized in one place. JotForm's default embed is mobile-friendly, so it typically adapts to different screen sizes without extra adjustments. If you later change fields or design in JotForm, the embedded form will reflect those updates automatically. You've successfully created a form in JotForm, published it, copied the embed code, and placed it on your Squarespace site using an embed block. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your new registration workflow.